Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 60. A trader sold a shirt for 220 naira at a profit of 10%. Find the cost price. A 198 naira, B 200 naira, C 210 naira, and D 1000 naira. So a trader sold a shirt for 220 naira at a profit of 10%, meaning that this is not the original cost of this shirt, since the trader made a profit of 10%. So the profit cost as the profit in percentage is equal to what? 10%. Sold price is equal to 220 naira. Now we are asked to find the what? The cost price, that is the original price of this shirts. Now for us to find the original price of this shirts, we'll find the what? The percentage of this profit in this sold price and subtract it from this sold price. So therefore, to find it, the profits price will be equal to 10 all over 100, remember it's in percentage, multiplied by 220. So this 0 will cancel this 0 here, this 0 will cancel this 0, and we have what? 22 naira. So the profit price is 22 naira. Now to find the cost price is now equal to the sold price, which is 220, minus the profit price, which is 22. So therefore the cost price is equals to 198 naira. So 198 naira is the cost price for this shirt. Now from the options here, option A says 198 naira, which is correct. So A is our right answer. The rest are wrong. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.